As long as Figma is a collaborative tool, you can leave comments for your teammates or for yourself at any place of your canvas or of your artboard. Artboard is another name of canvas. Let's hop. It's like this. If you see this word, this means your canvas. So how to make a comment? You can use this tool and make a comment for someone or just a comment. Just a comment. And everyone who has access to this file will see this comment. And if I want to mention someone particular, I will use @ as you use in all modern tools. And you can leave comments for your teammates or for yourself. But take a note that if you leave comment for yourself, everybody in the file will see it as well. For example, I will leave a comment for myself. Nikita Evsey, please make some jokes to make this course not so boring. Haha.